What's up, YouTube? Coming back to you guys with another video. Today we're going to go ahead and we're going to get the grill installed. So I'll be leaving shortly to go do that. But before we get started, just once again want to thank everybody for watching the videos, for subscribing. If you guys like this content, hit that like button. And if you guys want to follow the channel, definitely hit that subscribe button. But enough with that, we're going to go ahead and get the grill installed here. So we have once again, this is the eBay front grill. I did do an unboxing and overview of this, so we're gonna get this installed along with the JDM FD2 Civic Type R front emblem. So I'm gonna get those two things installed and take you guys along for the ride. Alright guys, so just pulling up in the shop, get some footage for you guys. So you can see the comparison with the factory grill with the blockage at the top, and then the eBay grill with the slide bar opening here. So there we go, there's a comparison. All right, guys, so hope you guys enjoyed that installation vlog today. Really super nice guys over at KG Motorsports. If you guys are in the Las Vegas area, you're looking to get some work done on your Civic Type R, don't hesitate. Definitely check out the guys at KG Motorsports. Here's some stickers that they gave me. Pretty cool stickers. Also gave me a magazine, D-Sport magazine, with a future with the Civic Type R. So super cool. And also got this tree frog squash air freshener for the car. So definitely gonna use this. Like I said, really cool guys at that shop. So that's gonna end it for this video. If you guys haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you guys like this content, don't forget to hit that like button as well. And with that being said, I'm out.